Welcome to French Revolution Part 3. In this part, I will discuss about some long-term causes of French Revolution. In Part 1, I have discussed about the introduction of French Revolution. In Part 2, I have discussed about the factor responsible for the French Revolution. Mainly, I have discussed about the long-term causes of French Revolution. If you haven't watched those parts, make sure to watch them first. Let us start the topic. Ignited and enlightened middle class. Ignited and enlightened middle class played a prominent role in French Revolution. This ignited and enlightened middle class point is subdivided into 2 points: prosperous members of third estate and emergence of the prominent philosophers. Prosperous members of third estate. Third estate comprised lawyer, professor, merchants, doctor, teachers, etc. All of these were highly educated. These people were more educated than first estate and second estate people. They wanted equality and abolished any kind of privilege by birth, so they could not tolerate any kind of injustice, discrimination, and inequality. They thought persons' social position must depend on his merit. They were demanding that all social position should be on the basis of merit, not on the basis of divine rights and privileged rights. These ideas envisaging a society based on freedom and equal laws and opportunities for all. They were also demanding for equal opportunities, freedom, and equal laws. Emergence of the prominent philosophers. The prominent philosophers such as John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and Montesquieu took the initiative to create awareness among the third estate people to raise their voice against any kind of discrimination. They helped the people to get into the ideas of equality, liberty, and fraternity. Although third estate people were dissatisfied with the ruler, they didn't want to tolerate injustice, inequality, and discrimination, but they didn't have any courage to fight against the rule. So these philosophers gave them idea how to get into the concept of equality, liberty, and fraternity. Later, these ideas became the slogan of French Revolution and the independence movement of many countries. These ideas not only helped in French Revolution, these ideas also helped in many independence movement. In present scenario, any democratic country cannot survive without opting these concepts. In present time, all democratic countries took this concept, and we should be very thankful to French society to give us these ideas: equality, liberty, and fraternity. Due to these concepts, we are living in democratic form of government, and we are enjoying all human rights. How French society was reformed by some prominent philosopher, we should know about some prominent philosophers' ideas. John Locke's idea. John Locke, in two treatises of government, sought to refute the doctrine of the divine and absolute rights of the monarch. This was the main problem in France. Due to doctrine of divine and absolute right of the monarch, in France, lot of problems were created and people were facing injustice, inequality, and discrimination. He gave the concept of limited government. According to him, government power should be limited. Government should not use unlimited power. According to him, government should made only for saving the natural rights of the citizen. He said that government function is only to save the natural rights of the human being. In natural rights, life, liberty, and property were coming. And he said that government should save the life, liberty, and property of human being, not more than that. Jean-Jacques Rousseau was one of the prominent philosophers of the world. He changed the mentality of not only the French society but also the entire world. Rousseau's idea. Rousseau proposed a form of government based on social contract. He always supported that government should be made on the basis of social contract. From right hand green chart, you can easily understand the concept of social contract. According to him, social contract should be made between government and people. People should give power to government to run the country, and government will protect their rights. If government will misuse the power, people have right to replace or overthrow it. He supported the idea of popular sovereignty, means the authority should be there in people's hand. People have right to select their ruler according to their needs and according to their choice. Arbitrary can be overthrown. Jean-Jacques Rousseau always supported the rules should be based on good of the people. He favored an enlightened despot as a leader. From bottom chart, you can understand about the Rousseau's ideas of administration. He divided administration into two parts, sovereign and government. Sovereign, the voice of the law and absolute authority within the state. The Rousseau's words, the sovereign is the people speaking together. General will. Means according to him, the majority people only should decide about the ruler, and they should select their rulers according to their need, according to their choice, and they should have right to reject their rulers if rulers are not working according to the common people wish, according to the common people welfare. Government charged with application of the law towards particular matters. Government should only work for implementation of the law which would be made for the welfare of the common people. Means indirectly he supported the idea of democratic form of government, and he rejected the idea of divine rights and absolute right of king. Montesquieu's ideas immensely impacted the entire world. In the spirit of laws, Montesquieu proposed a division of power within the government between the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. According to him, power should not be concentrated in one hand. Power should be divided in legislative, executive, and judiciary. After independence, USA followed this model of government. From middle chart, we can understand about the Montesquieu's concept. In American concern, we can easily understand about the Montesquieu's idea. President belong to executive branch. Congress, which is the Parliament of America, belong to legislative branch. Court belongs to judicial branch. Means in America, every branch is decided that what kind of work they will do. Montesquieu separation of power. Each branch would limit the power of the other branches to prevent absolute power. Led to the theory of checks and balances. Favored a constitutional monarchy based on the British model. So according to Montesquieu, power should be separated. It should be given to legislative, executive and judiciary separately, and they should have power to look after their matters properly. American Constitution played a prominent role to change the French society as well as the third estate people. The American Constitution and its guarantee of individual rights was an important example of political thinkers in France. Like American freedom fighters, they wanted to adopt the concepts in France. Let us see the US Bill of Rights. Total 10 rights were given. First, guarantees freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly and petition. Second, right to wear arms. Third, prohibits quartering of troops in private homes. Fourth, protects from unreasonable searches and seizures. Fifth, no punishment without due process of law. Sixth, right to a speedy and public trial in the state where the offense was committed. Seventh, right to jury trial for civil cases if over $20. Eighth, prohibits excessive and cruel and unusual punishments. Ninth, civil rights are not restricted to those specified by these amendments. Tenth, powers not granted to the national government belong to the states and to the people. Means this Bill of Rights were based on the fundamental rights and on the human rights. Many countries included this Bill of Rights in fundamental list. In India's constitution also many points are there in fundamental list like guarantees freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly and petition, protects from unreasonable searches and seizures, no punishment without due process of law, right to a speedy and public trial in the state where the offence was committed, prohibits excessive and cruel and unusual punishment. Means this idea not only impacted the French society but also the entire world. French society was immensely impacted by these ideas, and their activists wanted to change the French society. They wanted to get all rights according to the American Constitution, which led to the revolution. The ideas of prominent philosophers and American Constitution were discussed intensively in slogans and horses and spread among people through books and newspapers. These were frequently read aloud in groups for the benefits of those who could not read and write. The news that Louis XVI planned to impose further taxes to be able to meet the expenses of the state generated anger and protests against the system of privileges. Now, the people of third estate wanted to get equality, justice, and fraternity. They wanted to throw the despotic rule of the France, and they wanted to get rights according to the American constitutions, and they wanted to implement the all ideas of prominent philosophers. Now I completed the long-term causes of French Revolution. In next part, I will complete the immediate causes of French Revolution. If you like my video, please click the like button, subscribe it